Eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help ensure that you get all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help lower your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body repair and recharge. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health problems, so it's important to find ways to manage it. This can include things like yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to serious health problems, so it's best to avoid them or limit them as much as possible.